Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to get and use real-time voice changer for Discord. So we are going to use this clownfish voice changer app to change our voice on Discord, and this is very popular and a real-time voice changer app. So all you have to need just go to Clownfish Voice Changer download page, and here you have to download the installer according to your computer requirements. Once you've downloaded the installer, go ahead and install the Clownfish Voice Changer on your computer. Installation process is pretty simple. Once you successfully installed, launch the Clownfish Voice Changer. Now click on Show Hidden Icons, and here you'll find Clownfish icon. Right click here and click on Setup. Click on System Integration. First of all, we have to install our microphone. So here come to this audio section, and here you will find all of your input devices. So currently I'm using this USB PNP audio device microphone, and as you can see I installed this microphone. All you have to need just install here your default microphone, and now go to your Discord and go to user settings. Scroll down to this left hand menu and click on voice and video. Click on input device, and the same way here you have to select your default microphone, which one you are using currently. And now it's time to change our voice real time, right? So click on this icon, right click on Clownfish, and now click on Set Voice Changer. And here you get bunch of different voice effects. You can select any voice effect for your Discord. Let's select female
speech, and as you can see the result, and let's select
radio, and here we can see the result. So all you have to need just select any voice effect from here and go to your Discord, join a voice channel, and your voice will be changed real time through the app. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.